Hello, welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna get ready. I have to get out the door pretty quickly, but we shall see because I'm very chatty. But I can't talk too much because I do want to do like a longer get ready with me where I talk about all that's happened lately. So yeah, let me just get started. First, I'm going to use the Can Make Mermaid Skin Gel UV for sunscreen. So yeah, I've changed my entire background. I love it. I'm kind of scared because this is very different. So the desk behind me is, I'm not very well set up right now. So I've changed the setup back here. Mike helped me move the desk. So this desk used to be in front of me, but now it is behind me. I was hoping that this would help for my schooling, so it feels different when I'm working on my classwork, but also so that I can change everything around in terms of our living room and so on and so forth, because basically my office is in the living room and we had to arrange our living room for this arrangement. But I think it's good because it feels better. I feel like we'll use the living room more. So yeah, this is really my first run with the setup. So we'll see how things go. So yeah, sunscreen's on. Let's do the complexion. I'm going to use my Revlon Color Stay concealer. So yeah, I rearranged the office, and now that my assignments are turned in because it's a new semester, I can actually work a little bit more on what things look like over here. I used to not use brushes like these kinds of flat foundation brushes. Not only was I not using them, I was like actively against them. I thought, these are horrible. Why would anyone ever use anything like this? And now look at me. I've been thinking a lot about makeup trends and how they've just been changing. And right now, the Ulta 21 Days of Sale is going on. 21 Days of Beauty. 21 Days of Beauty is going on. My skin looks so dry right now. The sunscreen is glowy in the fact that it has illumination, but the sunscreen itself dries like a very light film, which I think is good. But I haven't used that in a minute because I've been using the Hawaiian Tropic weightless sunscreen. This looks pretty good. Lately, my makeup has been going so natural, which I never thought that I would be that girl, but now I am. I think a lot of it has been due to the fact that I haven't had much time to do my makeup, so I've just been like slapping on the bare minimum, and sometimes when you just slap on the bare minimum, you don't get enough time to put on the high impact colors that would make for a more dramatic look, even if it is just a pop of eyeliner. So now I'm going in with the Cosmetics Bye Under Eye, and I'm warming it up between my fingers like this. Getting my workout of the day. I've been thinking a lot about hand health because carpal tunnel and trigger finger is real. So just a little bit. So yes, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is going on, and today is the Buxom lip liner day. That's the Buxom surprise. I want it. I want it. Yeah, I don't like that my skin looks so dry. I gave myself a manicure last night. I love it. It's OPI No Turning Back from Pink Street. I think it's so pretty. This definitely feels like a power manicure. Next, I'm going to set my face with this number 7 Lift and Luminate finishing powder in the shade Light. I think I'm going to start washing my hair once a week. I was doing it 2-3 times a week, but I have just lately not had very much time, which is kind of frustrating. But it takes so much time. It takes so much time. And I feel that I have not enough time to do everything that I need to do. So now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer. So yeah, it just feels like there's not enough time in the day to do all the things that need to get done. But I feel like maybe that's how everyone feels. But then that means that you understand what I'm going through. Just like, oh my gosh. And I know in some ways I just have to like let go of control. But I'm a control freak, which I know isn't good for me. I've been watching Real Housewives of Orange County, and one of the women on the show, she's intense. She's very intense, and I worry that I come across that way. Now I'm going into the NARS blush in Sex Appeal. This is off topic, but I know a lot of people don't like that NARS has their makeup is pretty much all themed around sex. Who cares? Who cares? I like it. I think at least the words they use are way less brash than some of the Too Faced branding that they've used, like the names they've used. But like, then again, like also, if it's just not for you, it's not for you. There's lots of other products and brands that make things that are for you. So sometimes it's just like NARS has selected that their audience will be people, like their audience is people who are interested into that marketing, like who are interested in that, who are intrigued by that. I like it. I think this is fun. Like Sex Appeal. Ooh, I'm gonna put a little Sex Appeal on. Like, I think a lot of it is that they have found that they've bottled Sex Appeal and now they're selling it. So that is the NARS Sex Appeal. I want to add a little bit of Revlon Wild About Violet. Lately I've been putting on multiple blushes. I know it doesn't make sense, but just a little bit of mixing to get a little something. So Sex Appeal is a little bit peach, and then this Wild About Violet is a little bit purple. So orange, peach isn't really orange, but you know, it's in the family of orange. Orange and purple make brown. But even still, you can kind of see the peach under the purple. This brush, this Wet n Wild brush I bought from TJ Maxx. It's from the Little Twin Stars collaboration Wet n Wild did. And look at how darling that is. Now for brows, LA Girl Set It Clear Brow Gel. I've been using so many of the same products lately. Hopefully I'm not getting too repetitive on you. I need to chop my stash. I've been feeling the itch that I need to switch things up. Like, for example, I got the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. I'm liking this so far. It's different. It is very different. The MAC Paint Pot, which I usually use, is very dry for the eyes. But I still have always liked it. It definitely adds color, whereas this eye base does not. It's pretty much clear. Here I have a BYOP, a build your own palette. So this little palette I put together using depotted eyeshadows from ColourPop palettes. So I'm going to go into this beige color all over the lid. Just to basically blank out my eye. Now for the Bambi Eye Oversized Mascara. And I have this little lash separator. Of course, my mascara is all over my eyelid. It's not going to be perfect, even though I wish it would be. Okay, so all of that has to dry. What else am I needing to do? I think I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. So this is the Maybelline Line Express pencil liner in black. I'm a little scared. I kind of love that. That gives me like Hannah Montana staring memes. Now I'll put on lip gloss. I feel like I need to do something to my brows, actually. Let me add some of this I feel the strong eyeliner needs to be accompanied by a strong brow. I need to brush my brows back up though, because I feel like when my brows are brushed up, it matters less that they're asymmetrical. Honestly, I feel that my brows are just neighbors. They're not sisters, they're not cousins, they're just neighbors. I don't know that I love that, but I'm just going to the store. No one cares. I mean, the only person who really cares is me. So now this is the MAC lip gloss in Oyster Girl. So yeah, I've got MAC lip gloss in Oyster Girl. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks much better. Look at these young adult hairs that I have on my forehead. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna change my tank top to a black tank top, but besides that, I'm basically all ready. I'm gonna go to the store, gonna get my milk. Okay. Yeah, real quick, easy breezy. So yeah, that's this look. It took me 27 minutes. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and let me know that you like this video by liking it, hitting that thumbs up, and tell me what your go-to going to the grocery store makeup is. I would love to hear it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.